Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create Facebook cover photos with Snappa. Are you looking for a guide on how to use Snappa to make Facebook cover photos? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. Okay, we are now in snappa.com. So you need to have an account. So you need to sign up, sign in. It's very simple. It's just like any other, it's like Canva. So it's pretty straightforward signing up. Faster if you use Google Gmail. Uh, so as you can see here, this is Snappa. It's very simple. It's very simplistic, right? It seems like it doesn't have a lot, but it does. So if you're doing social media, whether it's Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or LinkedIn or Twitter, even Pinterest, you have things here that you can use. So what we're looking for is Facebook cover photos. If you want a better Facebook cover photo, whether it's for your personal Facebook account, your fan page, your business account, and you want it to look clean, look professional, you would want to have a Facebook cover photo that emphasizes who you are as a brand, as a business, right? And as you can see here, social media posts, you have Facebook post, Facebook link, Instagram post, Instagram story, LinkedIn post, YouTube thumbnail, Twitter post, and Pinterest pin. But what we want, if you scroll down, headers, banners, and profile pages. The very first one is Facebook cover photo, right? If you click on this, you're gonna have a lot of stuff that you can work with, right? Like if you go back to Canva in the main page, it seems like there's not a lot, but again, if you click on Facebook cover photo, you're gonna have a lot of things that you can work with, a lot of options. You can start from scratch. If you click on this, kind of like Canva, a blank canvas with pretty much right, and it shows you every the view, right? Mobile only up to here, desktop only up to here, so you know what you're working with, right? You can adjust your image to um the size. So yeah, there's a lot of things here. The Great Expanse, the best is yet to come, and of season sale. So there's a lot of things you can use. Like if you click on this, right? If you have a store, right? If you have a store, the thing about Facebook cover photos is you want the CTA or the call to action or your main content for that, cover photo in the middle. So you have end of sale, end of season sale, the shop now, right? Um, so again, end of season sale. This is your main content. You're telling, like, for example, if you're a store for fruits, right? Like if frozen fruits, you sell it online on Facebook, and you have end of season sale, right? It says here, so people click to your page, they're gonna whether it's on mobile or on the computer, they're gonna see your cover photo clearly states end of season sale, and then clearly sees shop now, right? So for example, we do fruits, right? We do fruits. Let's click on background, wait for it to load, and let's type in fruit. Let's see what we got. So maybe this one. There you go, right? It says here end of season sale. Maybe can we have a border for shadow? There you go. So you can see it more, right? There you go. It's more visible because of the picture. So you sell fruits online, sell frozen fruits online, and you want to be like, okay, we're gonna have a sale. It's gonna be called the end of season sale, and then let's just add shadow shop now. Uh, Border is solid. Okay, fill solid color. There you go. That looks so much better, right? As you can see, again, you can still see the border. So up to here you see mobile, up to here you see desktop. Um, so again, your store, your Facebook store that sells fruits, sells frozen fruits as well. You're gonna have a sale. It's gonna be end of a season, and you're gonna put in end of season sale, and then your call to action shop now. So you're like, oh, you're this. That's the very first. So if you go to mobile or even on Facebook, right? If you click on a page, this is the very first thing that people are gonna see, and they're gonna be like, oh, there's a sale because it says, well, pretty much says there's end of season sale in the shop now. So the call to action will pretty much hardwire their brain to be like, let's see what they're selling. Let's see what deals they have. And that's, again, like, a lot of people don't utilize their cover photos enough. But if you use this for your business or for your brand, like for example, right? So this is for like a business, right? So for your brand, let's look for mm, let's use this. You're celebrating 5 years, right? Let's for example, right? We are celebrating 5 years. Or maybe we could use how about convention? Is there going to be a convention photo here? There you go, right? Let's say meet and greet. Let's remove this. "2023," for example, right? For example, you're a content creator. You're gonna go to a convention and you're gonna do a meet and greet, right? So uh let's put it in the middle, kind of like off center, right? Meet and greet. Actually, no. Let's use it. Meet and greet 2023. Let's go. Let's do Saturday. Let's make this smaller. Saturday, 3 p.m. onwards, right? Let's make this into like 20. There you go. So you have that. And then we could how do we clone it? How do we duplicate this? Duplicate layer, right? And then Sunday, 3 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Right? And there you go. So maybe put a drop down. There you go. Same here. Let's put a drop down so people can see more. And there you go. So for example, you're a content creator, your fans want to meet you, and you use your cover photo on Facebook and be like, oh, she's going or he's going to the meet and greet, and you see meet and greet 2023 Saturday, 3 p.m. onwards, Sunday 4 to 6 p.m. So that's the very first thing they're gonna see. So after that, in their mind, oh, so are there going to be details? And of course, they're going to post details on our feed. And yeah, that's how you make not only make Facebook cover photos of Snappa, but utilize it to your advantage. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.